My item.
Crocodile, what a fucking little bit. Little la la la. Little tralala. Little tralala. Get rid of the ray gun. Crocodile, flint and steel. Ella, ella, ella,
Oh no. No.
ella,
I'm stuck.
Flint and goddamn fucking steel.
Help me. Help me. Help. Please. Please. Help me.
Get the out. I can get you pink broccoli so you can escape easier, okay?
Please.
Flint and steel, oh my god. Hey, I'm dropping down. I'm dropping it down.
I can't get it. My hand won't let me.
Oh, your hands are outside. No, grab it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
I can't eat it. Remember, my hands are outside of the machine.
Wait, I know how to solve. Hey, it's right here.
Hand me it.
Okay, hey, stop. I'm gonna put it right here. Stay like you are. Don't struggle. Now eat it. Your head is sticking out. Yes. Now your head is sticking out. Yes. Come on. Okay, now come on. Yeah, you got out. Okay. Now put the arm bone in. Put the arm bone freaking in. Just shove it in. I'm ready. Are you recording?
Yeah. Better not get stuck this time. No!
Little crocodile.
When is your headset gonna die?
Do you need more pink broccoli?
I'm out.
Okay, I'm coming for you. Oh, never mind. Get out. Okay, did you put the arm bone in? Nope, you didn't. Put the arm bone in.
Shows the arm bone. Okay, that's cool.
You fucking silly. Use your ray gun. To grab it, since it can just pull it immediately. Now here comes the good route. We're dead. Okay, hold on. Now you
Wait, what percent is your headset at?
No. Now you can do it. Now you can use
What
these.
percent is your headset at?
Now you can use these.
What's your headset percent at? What is your headset
If
percent?
you don't, I can. Nah.
What's your headset percentage?
Okay, you can just grab. Okay, that's good.
What's your headset percentage?
Bombadillo, fracke, free, lo la la. Frilo, fracka, frilo. Okay. Bombadillo, crocodile. Bombadillo, crocodile. Bombadillo, crocodile.
Wow, a whole backpack. Let's put another thing in. Okay. Okay.
Armadillo, crocodilo.
What will it give me? What will it give me?
This is open banana benzini bun. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Armadillo,
Big banana.
crocodilo.
I got a banana. Alright, let's put another thing in.
Armadillo, crocodilo.
It's in, it's in. It's in. It's in.
Oh. I'm gonna be the duplication machine. Since you're doing that.
Ooh. An item. A good item. Oh wait, I have to go to the bathroom. I'm back. Yo? Wait, did time get replayed?
Bro, I'm in the game. No, I was just eating.
Where's the other guy?
Wait, did he leave?
Yeah, I think his headset died.
You want to play that game with me?
Yeah, sure, but can I? Yeah, but I'm the machine.
Okay.